Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to configure auto download in WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Initially, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. As you can see, I have already installed WhatsApp in my mobile device. In case you have not, do install it right now and log into your account. Right now, we simply want to configure auto download. At the top right, next to the search icon, there are these three dots. Simply click on it, and from here, among all these pop-ups, what we need to do is simply go to settings. There are lots of options available in the settings tab, but right now, simply scroll over till you find something like storage and data. Click on this button right here. Now what you need to focus on is simply this media auto download. Well, there are these three options saying when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. Let's look at each and one of them. When using mobile data, it's gonna download photos and such. Right now, I do not want to download anything when I'm using mobile data. Once everything's alright, simply hit on OK. However, when I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, when I'm connected on Wi-Fi, I want to download everything like photos, audios, videos and documents. Well, for me, personally, that's how I configure auto download. I do not want to waste my mobile data, so I want to download everything only once I'm connected to Wi-Fi. Well guys, that's it. That's how we configure auto download in WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.